Hello everyone, I am Harshita and today I am going to explain you about the topic overview of financial configurable workflow notification. So in the financial application, as a part of certain business flows, automatically send notification for review or approval. Like for example, when a user submits an expense report, the approvers receive an email containing the approval request. So that approver needs to go to the email and just accept this approval request and approve the notification so that that expense report can be proceeded with the further process, right? So, but in addition of getting notification in email, user can also view in-app notification. Like in this image, you can see that this bell icon is coming. So this bell icon is the notification icon in the global header and opening a notification. You can just go to this bell icon and click here. All the notification are visible there, right? Now moving for the Oracle Business Intelligence Publisher Report. So this report, this BI Publisher report are used for some flow to generate the notification content and format. You can enable BI Publisher based notification which are ready to use as delivered. If required, you can also change the delivered template, layout and content and add images, change color, styling, etc. So by using this BI Publisher based notification, you can generate the notification content and format. Now, this table shows the product that has configurable notifications along with its associated feature. You can configure only the email notification for the same. The product is like bill management. For this bill management project, you can configure the email notification only. There are two ways in which you can get a notification, email and in app, right? So for this product, only email notifications are available. And what are the notification you get here? For registration confirmation, new account registration confirmation, account access revocation notification, access revocation notification. For this all the task, you get an email notification to approve the same, right? Now here are some example of the products in payable for which you get both email also and in app notification also. In app notification is nothing but the bell icon in the global header which we have seen in the previous slide. So under payables, these are the reports like invoice approval report, whole resolution notification, payment approval notification, invoice account coding email notification. These are the report and notification for which you get both email and in-app notification, right? So this is all about the email and in-app notification for the payables product. This figure shows how this BI object work together to generate the notification content. So BI object is nothing but the business intelligent objects. So how they are working together to generate the notification. We are going to see that in this image. So first of all, what data source? What is data source? It stores the attributes and attributes value for business objects and transaction in the application. Right now moving towards the data module. It determines which attributes from data source are available to be included in the notification and how data is retrieved. Then moving to the sub-template. It provides common components such as branding logo and buttons and can be reused in multiple reports. These sub-templates can be reused in multiple reports, right? Now moving to the style template. As its name suggests, it is provide for the or it this template is used for the styling purpose like type of lines, font type, size, color to use for heading, etc. All this is determined here in the style template. Now report. Report contains a layout template. The report contains a layout template. Like in this template, what we determined is which attributes appear in the notification, what the notification will look like. All this thing is determined in the layout template here. Now moving further to the HTML. It's a hypertext markup language used to design the format of the output generated by the report, that how this report is going to be look like when it is generated. Then from HTML, email notification and in-app notification is generated. That is HTML output embedded in the email body, and here HTML output embedded in the application in-app notification. So this is how the BI project worked together to generate the notification content. So this was all about the overview of financial configurable workflow notification. Thank you.